Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. The Solana chart is still in this ongoing correction. I mean, that hasn't changed. Overall, you can see that we're still moving here in a sideways consolidation pattern. I wouldn't be surprised if this turns into some kind of a triangle. Few things here are very important. First of all, we have reached an area of strong support. Here, this area around the 30th of April low, the 6th of May low, the 5th of June low provides strong support. It's basically structural support, but also we have Fibonacci support there around $143.50. So it's more like the area between $141 and I'd say $145 that provides support. I shared with you over the last few weeks that this area is likely going to provide strong support, and the price would likely spend some time there because of the VRVP. You will probably remember, if you've been watching these videos, that I showed you several times this VRVP indicator, volume profile, visible range, and it tells us that especially in this current price region, around broadly 143, 145, maybe $150, where we have this spike here, yeah? That in this area the price is likely slowing down, as it did here in April. This is even where the point of control is, around $151. Why would the price slow down? Just simply because people like to trade the price in that area, okay? And that's why it's being traded up and down, more or less volatile, but it slows the price down. These spikes slow the price down. Where you have an area of insufficiency, a gap, the price can move through quickly. It did that, and it moved up quickly. Yeah, but then when we get into these areas, the price is chopping around. That's why we talked about it. Yeah, same. Let's imagine we can break finally below this $143 level here. Then the price should drop quite quickly to $132. But we're not there yet. We have not broken below it, and it could be that we spend a little bit more time in this current local sideways range. Why? Because from an Elliott Wave point of view, we do have a 3-wave move down after the 11th of June high. That's not clearly bearish. It just means it might be just moving sideways for a bit. We have a 3-wave move up into yesterday's high or the Monday high. We have a 3-wave move down, and that keeps the door open for maybe even a triangle, but it also keeps the door open for a wider flat correction. That, I mean, I told you that probably this B wave has topped. It's possible, but proportions tell me that exactly where it's trying to form a low now, this is exactly from where a wider B wave flat correction could unfold, in which this is an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave up for a wider B wave instead of this as all of wave B. So it's simply extending that a little bit. Yeah. That can happen. It would be a bit of a fake out there, would mean that, hey, the price could maybe, as a result of the interest rate decision, yeah, just as a catalyst, it might move higher a little bit before we then go down, yeah? So overall, please note that the market could spend some more time in that sideways region here. However, if we finally get a break below $141, these previous swing lows, then we might go down to 132 quite quickly, but bear in mind there's strong support in that area. Yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in getting some more infos, updates, and so on, check out our X profile. You'll find the link in the description. Also, I've linked it in the comment section. You get to our X profile, and here you can discuss, ask questions, post your charts, get additional setups, and much more. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.